Look, I'm on Oculus, guys. I'm gonna tell you.
I'm behind you.
Get back over here, buddy.
By the way, you could Tokyo drift in Gorilla Tag.
Oh my god,
I'm not cheating and I'm faster than you. That's crazy, bro.
my arms hurt.
Huh?
Well, I don't have anything enabled, so,
Yeah, I have this enabled.
If you keep doing that run, you're gonna pass out soon. Then you're gonna pass out while doing that run.
just do bigger
No, I'm gonna
strides
struggle
and
to
do it
breathe.
over your head. Look. My friend, you need to look at this right now, bro.
The air smells
Zero
nice.
air. You're gonna die from zero oxygen.
Yes.
Yo, this is some bling right here.
Yo, I had it. Follow me. Statue.
Who else wants to do that? The entire thing.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Hey, PVVV.
Oh my god.
There's 3 shiny rocks down there.
Bro's dead.
That was so goofy though.
Yeah, you are goofy. Works though.
I just have
Anything else that gets your pulse up?
Fortnite card. Double R with this factory.
I just have this.
Jeebus Quest. Or, actually not Jeebus Quest, but near.
Pivot into the no.
Got my life in 2 pieces. This is my last resort. Well, I got my pulse up. That got my pulse up.
Orange left. Orange left again.
Yeah, you can go.
They call me the They call me the Nick.
Wait, I'm on the prize or
Into the
purple.
Don't you just like that spot on your neck? Don't you just love that boom, 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 boom feeling? And the captions are not going to even try to put that there.
And statue sing. And statue sing. Wait, who's statue? Who's so little? Wait,
I'm in this.
are you statue?
You're so
Oh.
small.
Cheap aggressives like this. Subscribe on what?
Who's
Who's
statue?
small?
Oh,
Who's small?
I'm statue.
SMOL. I cannot deny it any longer.
Oh, man,
I am small.
hurt.